Welcome to Automate Business. In this video, we will see how to connect Automate Forms with the Automate Chat app. First, log in with the Automate Chat and Automate Forms. Go to the Automate Form dashboard. Open the form that you want to integrate. Click the Settings option to configure form preferences and integrations. Navigate to the Integrations tab to connect external services and automate actions. Click Connect Start, linking a new integration with your form. Select an action to define what the integration will perform after lead capture. Choose Send Notification to alert your team or system upon form submission. Enter a descriptive name for your integration connection to identify it easily. Fill in the connection name as we filled in form to chat to represent its purpose. Click the field to enter your API key for the Automate Chat app. Navigate to the main dashboard of the Automate Chat app. Click on the More button and then Webhook API button on top of the menu bar. Click here to view existing API keys and create new ones as needed. Click Create API to generate a new key for integration authentication. Provide the API name here. Fill in the API key name to identify it within your account. Click Save to store the new API key securely in your account. Click Copy API key to copy the key for use in your integration settings. Come back to the Automate Forms. Click the API key input field to prepare for pasting the key. Paste your API key to authenticate the connection securely. Click Add New Connection to finalize and save your integration setup. Click Select a template to choose a predefined notification message. Select any template that you want to send to the client once they fill the form. Click the field to enter the recipient's phone number or insert a dynamic field. Choose the appropriate contact field, such as phone number. Click here to confirm your field selection for the notification message. Here, you can map the variables you have added in the message's body, such as client's name, etc. Choose the first name field to personalize the notification greeting. Click Save to apply your notification template and field settings. Click Build to finalize and activate your automated lead capture and notification workflow. This demo demonstrated how to connect Automate Forms with Automate Chat's app and customize notification templates. You can now streamline your lead management and improve communication efficiency by implementing these automated workflows.